Kalapachera, Kalapachera, we're leaving Lucerne, Switzerland now. Bye for now, Lucerne. We're now going to Italy. Come and join us. Join us. Thank you for joining us. We will have our road trip to Italy and we will show you the beautiful view of the mountain here in Switzerland. So we just leave actually Lucerne and going to Milan. So here's all the mountain, beautiful mountain here in Switzerland. It's really beautiful. Look, the highway with the mountains. So maganda, grabe. Nakaka-inlove ang mga mountains dito with all the snow on the top of the mountain. Nice. Naku, tulog ang mga kasama namin. Hindi nila nakikita ang ganda ng kapaligiran, ng kabundukan. Grabe, super ganda. Look at all the view, grabe. We're here driving on the way to Italy. So we're still in Switzerland at the moment. All that mountain view, it's from Switzerland. Ayan, tigil muna kami para makapag-picture-picture with a beautiful view talaga. Grabe, ito yung tuktok na may snow pa at beautiful ang view niya. Kaya picture-picture muna kami dito ni na Ricky. Ayan, picture-picture. Daming snow daming yellow rito Nag-snow sila rito. Buti ngayon walang snow. At least clear na ang daan. O diba, ganda ng view behind me. Oh, ayan, ang lalaki ng tipak-tipak na yellow. Kita nyo? Wow, pwedeng maghalo-halo. Sayang wala akong dalang pang halo-halo. Naghalo-halo sana tayo. Nakakudkud na siya, o diba?
One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, ay. One, two, three. One, ay.
Ayan, pinababa ko din si Mother Dear para mag-picture-picture. Minsan lang yan, Mama. Minsan ka lang nandito sa kabundukan ng Switzerland. Kaya picture-picture tiis ginaw. After, we continue our journey at maraming tunnel kaming madadaanan. Ang ganda. Ayan, ang dami nating tunnel na dadaanan. Tunnel dito, tunnel doon. And but look at the view. It's so beautiful view. Ay, grabe. Picture na lang muna ako.
na yelo, mga ilaw na naman. Kikita sa bundok mga ilaw.
Mga bahay dito.
From here, there's
Bahay
a
na.
historical train going up the mountain.
Bahay na ng taga rito.
Train po yung kabila dito.
Wala?
Train po.
They have historical train daw.
Historical train going up the mountain. The mountain, yeah, all the way up to one of the highest points in the. It's half a day of training.
Tunnel na naman. Kalabas na naman. Madilim na.
Inabot na kami ng kadiliman and here na in Italy. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you. At tingnan nyo ulit at manood sana kayo sa more video namin ng Luzerne and Italy. Thank you so much.